Hi everyone, in this video I share with you one of the most awesome productivity tips you're ever going to see. So in this video I wanted to show you probably the best tip you'll see with a cloud accounting program. So if you're using QuickBooks, Free Agent, all of these others, this tip generally works the same. Now as a team of business accountants, one of the things that I always think is amazing is the first time you show one of say a new bookkeeper that we're training or a new client that we're showing how to use their Xero. When we do this and we show them this tip, they're like, wow, didn't know you could do that. Now there will be people who watch this and go, yeah, obviously, you know, but me personally, the first time I saw this as a productivity tip, I was like, wow, there's a game changer for me. So I wanted to share it with you just so if you don't know about it, you now know. So this is it, it's as simple as this. So one of the most aggravating things about working inside a web browser like we see here is that it can feel a bit like you're stuck in one window. So let's have a look here. If we look at, this is the demo company inside Xero. So you can see all the invoices that the company's owed, and you might be flicking through them and think, okay, right, this one here for Port and Phillip Freight, great. Have a good look at that, see what it's about. And then to go back, you've got to press the back button and come back to where you are. Not a particular problem, but sometimes you might want to compare two invoices, or you might want to have a look at in detail a particular report or something like that and want to be able to flick back and forth. And what happens sometimes is on some of these screens, you'll do that, click the back button, and you'll have lost what you were doing. So this is the tip. You can right click on anything that's like a link like this where it's underlined, and you can open in a new tab. And if you watch the top of the screen when I do this, if you've not seen this, this is a tab. It appears in the background and you can flick. So you can flick between the two now instantly. Now you might think, wow, that's not that useful, but honestly, it does appear more times than you can imagine. You can also drag these out so that you can have them in separate windows, so you could compare them there. The other thing it's really useful for, if I show you, is let's say you're inspecting how you've got on. So this profit and loss report's brilliant for this. You can see how you've got on in the last month, between some dates, a year, whatever. So in this example, it's showing a financial year. Now you might decide, well, wow, I've spent 8 and a bit grand on marketing, have I? Now, if you were to click on this and keep going back forward, sometimes you just want to keep coming in here and having a look. So again, using your new tab or new window, you can get a tab up here and you can just see the detail of what is in that particular thing. So in this example here, it's giving you, here's the 3 invoices you've spent. Same deal again. You might not want to suddenly click on this. If I show you, you can click on this and it's going to load, and then you'll go, okay, I'm going to go back. And what sometimes happens between when you do this is that this report will crash, or there'll be some problem where you just want to go back and go in and have a look at what's going on, or you might want to just pick 2 of them and you can't remember. Like this example is not particularly good. Sometimes you might have 30 items here and only want to see 3 of them. So the best thing to do while you've got the report on there is open that one and open that one. And you can see in the tabs up here, you can see them. So it's useful in a lot of situations, but knowing that you can interact with the program in this way, and you know, you can flip between the two. So if you went in and edited this bill here, and then you went back to this invoice and started editing this, it all works. It's not like one loses its place or anything like that. So that's the tip, multiple tabs. Use them and your life inside the program will never be the same. So that's it. So if you've enjoyed this, make sure you share it with your network, subscribe for more videos just like it, and I'll see you on the next one.